C-Snack. Make a Krabby Croissant. You'll need 1 croissant, 5 strawberries, 2 banana slices, 2 blueberries, icing or nut butter, a butter knife, and toothpicks. Step 1. Cut a hole into the croissant to make a mouth. Step 2. Slice a strawberry. Stick it into the mouth for a tongue. Step 3. Use toothpicks to attach the banana slices to the top of the croissant for eyes. Step 4. Use icing or nut butter to stick the blueberries to the banana slices. Step 5. Cut strawberries into claws. Place them around the croissant. Snap, snap!